Hey brother man, this is a special video for you just because we've been talking and what you're saying is blowing my mind, and I think I have something that can be an additional income stream for you, can be something that will help you take your workload and bring it down a bit for close to free as soon as we talk about what I'm talking about. And that's going to absolutely just blow you away and potentially put a lot of money into your pocket. I actually just partnered up with Mom and we launched a 4-part training series that I call my Symphony Marketing Secrets, where I teach you how to take your results that you're getting in your business and leverage them to tell a story in social media and find your target audience and get your target audience to listen to that story and then make sales from it. You know, typical things that I normally sell, but I've also put the second part of it, which is getting the most out of a single piece of content, teaching you how to create one video and turn that into a Facebook post, turn that into a tweet, an Instagram post, and then turn that into a blog post that you can write and turn that into an email that goes out to your list, all from that one effort that you did, that one video that you cut, so that you're taking your efforts and your time and your focus and your actually getting the most out of the minimum effort putting in. But then the other thing we combined with it that's going to make your life a lot easier, and it's going to be something that's really crazy, is the concept of social media outsourcing. I believe we might have had a few conversations about it over our coaching period days and over the time that we've just kind of been interacting. You've probably have heard my story about how that really changed my business when I hired a social media outsourcer and taught them what I was doing in my current business and had them doing it for me Monday through Friday. But the coolest thing is we finally got the platform figured out and set up so that I can actually wide across the marketplace hire out social media outsourcers for people and have them running their social media, generating them leads and closing them sales Monday through Friday effortlessly in their business, so that whether they're sitting at home sipping Propel or they're hard at work at their own business, they are getting results always constantly coming in because someone else is doing the effort. Here's the coolest thing. The actual package itself is $9.97 and it includes the first month of social media outsourcing, which is $250 per month. When you purchase the package, you also become a reseller of it. You also get the rights to sell it and earn a $500 upfront commission and a $50 per month commission per customer that continues with the social media outsourcing. Here's what I'm thinking in my head. I would like for you, because we actually are launching it this week and we have the launch officially going. The first video is officially on my YouTube channel, which is why I cut you this video, because it's actually 40 minutes long and I just could speak to you, you know, just mano y mano. I don't have to sales pitch it up, because my blueprint, my plan for you is so booming is this, is I want you to take ownership. I want you to be our very first customer and affiliate, and I want you to turn around and I want you to connect this with all of those people that went to that training course and all of the ones that you're going to meet at the next training course, because obviously, as you just said, online marketing and the skills that you've learned along the way have played a big part in you finding your target audience and you finding people that are willing to sell you the houses and make you the money. So to turn around and sell that to all of them, number one, will be a no-brainer decision if they're paying $30K for the actual course itself, for them to turn around and spend $9.97, which you're pocketing $500 of each, plus every 10 of them that you get to continue with the social media outsourcing is an additional $500 in your pocket every single month. And they're all affiliates too, so you can teach them how to make 5 sales. 2 sales makes their money back, but 5 sales puts them at a free social media outsourcer every single month for $250. So that makes that what I call the golden handcuffs, to where they never stop paying for the service. And the coolest thing is the social media outsourcer, on top of working the business for you guys, finding people to sell the houses, or that you can buy the houses from, and the foreclosures and the Craigslist marketing that you can teach the outsourcer yourself, that we can include in their package. They will also spend their time generating you leads and closing you sales for social media outsourcing, so you can turn around and start getting $500 commissions from the outsourcer doing the work and $50 per month commissions coming in for them continuously buying the social media outsourcing. So if that's something you're interested in after you've watched this video, I would like you to get started. I would love for that to be the project for you, and I want to sit down and ask you, number one, about your Craigslist strategy specifically for the housing stuff so that I can add that to what I teach the social media outsourcers, and two, how we can put this together and get access to all of those people who were at the event, because I guarantee you could probably close 10% of the people at that event, which would be, 220 sales, which would be like 100K in your pocket, and it would be a real residual income of like $12,000 to $15,000 a month, which would be absolutely ridiculous. But I definitely think that this is a huge idea and a concept, and this is the type of niches that social media outsourcing and the 4-part series on lead generation and sales closing that we've packaged together here is really made for to thrive in. So let me know after you watch this video, and we can go from there if you're excited about it, if you're pumped about it, and you want to take that direction. I'll see you at the bank.